Kate is a mother of 4 children who is trying to get into the Christmas spirit by baking, wrapping gifts, decorating the tree, and making sure everything is perfect for Christmas Day. Kate is visited by 4 angels: angel of joy, hope, peace, and love. The angels show her the true spirit of Christmas. And we now present our Christmas play, The True Spirit of Christmas.
I have to do something. I don't remember what I have to do. Oh, I still have so many things to do. Oh, right. I have to tell Blaine.
Hi, Katie. Merry Christmas. What's up?
Oh, hi, Jane. It's me, Kate. Listen, I don't know if I'll be able to help you out in the homeless shelter. I just have so many things to do.
But why not? That is not the Christmas spirit. We were counting on you.
I know. I just can't get into the Christmas spirit.
Well, you know where. We will leave your change your mind by.
Well, I'll call you later then. Bye, Merry Christmas.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Elizabeth. Hi, Mrs. Scott. Hey, Karen.
Can I go with Carrie and her mom to take care of at the nursing home?
Well, I don't know, Liz. I just have so many things to do. Baking, decorating, wrapping presents. I just have too many things to do. Can Elizabeth come with me and my mom? Well, okay, sure.
Thanks, Mom.
And you're welcome. Hey.
I will.
Alright. Bye. Bye.
Oh, hi, Will. Hey, Mom.
Hi, Timothy. Hi, Daniel.
What are you doing, Mom?
Oh, I'm just making some cupcakes for their class and 100 others.
Wow, these look fancy. But why don't you buy some at the store? Kids don't care.
Are you kidding? I didn't watch all those cupcake baking shows for nothing. Besides, if Debbie's mom can make gingerbread men with everyone's name on them, then I should be able to make some simple little cupcakes.
Whatever, Mom. Anyways, me and Diego are going to Mrs. Jones' house to give some gifts to the orphanage.
Oh, alright. We'll be back as soon as you're done, okay?
Okay.
Hey, Mom. Oh, hi, Marty.
Boy, look at all this stuff. Can I help you?
Well, no, not really. I want the cupcakes to be perfect for a class.
Well, can I decorate the tree?
Well, no. You know how I want that to be very special. And it's very hard to impress your grandma with those things.
Well, I'm just gonna go to my room and play video games. Bye, Mom.
Bye. Darn kids are taking my cupcakes. Guess I'll need more. I'm so tired. I just can't get into the Christmas spirit. Guess I'll just sit here and rest my eyes for a while.
Greetings, greetings.
Whoa. Who is you?
I'm the angel of joy.
So you're the angel of joy, huh? What joy is there? Especially this time of year. With people getting disappointed for not getting the presents they wanted for Christmas. Buy presents for people you don't know and people you don't even like. And spending money that you don't have. And the disappointment when Christmas doesn't turn out like it does on TV shows.
Well, real joy is the joy of God's presence. Joy is given. Joy stands for Jesus, others, and yourself. In that order, joy is the coming of Jesus, then, now, and in the future. God's joy to you. Hello.
Oh, great, another angel. And who are you?
I'm the angel of peace.
So you're the angel of peace.
Yep.
There can't really be peace in this world. What with families arguing, countries fighting, people fighting other people over their differences, I don't really see how there can be peace. And when you think there's peace, another poem pops up.
Looking at peace the wrong way. Real peace is knowing God has everything in control. Jesus came to bring peace to of those who accept Him. Peace unto God, peace unto you.
Yoo-hoo! Oh, great, another angel. And who are you?
I'm the angel of hope.
Angel of hope. I hope this dream ends soon. What hope is there for this world? I don't think people will ever change. I don't think Christmas will ever get any better. In fact, I see it getting more and more hectic. I just don't see any hope left in this world.
There is hope because Jesus came to bring a new hope. Hope of a life better than this. Hope is found through faith in God's wisdom and love. God is the hope of the world. Keep your hope alive.
I know. You're an angel.
I am the angel of love. The spirit of Christmas is God's love, sent down to the earth in his Son. God's love to you.
Oh, now I get it. Joy, love, peace, and hope. That's the real meaning of Christmas. Christmas isn't about the decorations, the food, the gifts, and the tree. It's about the birth of Jesus, and it is made to be a celebration. It's not about all those things. It's about the birth of Jesus and all that it brings to us. These things can wait. I'm going to go to the nursing